Imagine yourself in this 2011 Ram 1500 SLT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: trip computer, auxiliary audio input, MP3 player, intermittent wipers, stability control, CD player, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo, and traction control. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.